harassment. Di biro ang sexual harassment at di nakakamacho ang pang-aabuso.
Huwag iritan kundi igalang.
Isang paalala mula sa Philippine Commission on Women at ng himpilang ito.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Hey, before we continue, once again, a couple of announcements here. Public advisory starting April 23, kahapon po ito, no, 2024. The inner field of Remy Field will be closed muna until further notice. Not the entire Remy Field, yung inner field lang kung saan may nagsasoccer, may nag-frisbee, may naghahabulan, may nagtatakbuhan. May, alam mo yun, basta yun na, yun nasa gitna. Yung grassy area, middle part of the Remy Field. Pero yung joggers lane, yung jogging and walking track, it will remain open for everybody, okay? The reopening of the inner field will commence once the watering and additional maintenance has been completed and its condition has improved. Ayan. Kasi etong summer, ang init-init no? Tuyong-tuyo yan, yung middle field na yan. Kaya natural, pag may nag-football dyan, pag may nag-frisbee or ano bang activity, nag-chato, ano pa ba, habulan, taguan. Taguan, nasa middle ng field. Ano talaga yan, mag-aalikabok. Di ba? Instant natural pulbos talaga yan. Iba kasi reklamo kagad. Ano ba yan? Maalikabok sa... it comes with the territory. Pag ganyang summer, may magagawa ba tayo? Summer nga Pero yun nga, may gagawin naman paraan Gagawa naman ng paraan. Kaya, easy lang kayo. Relax lang. Ayan. Okay, and once again, hey, as I've been announcing here, get the chance to win pizza pie. All right. If you will call me now and join the radio contest, madali lang. Kasi this coming April 30, there's gonna be the Sam's Pizza Payday Sale ang mangyayari, no? At all branches, Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillao. April 30 ito yung Pizza Payday Sale, okay? What will happen is, you will get 2-in-1 flavor. Yung 12 inches pizza, 2-in-1 yung flavor niya, 299 pesos lang. Dalawa yung flavor niya. Isang pizza pero dalawa yung flavor, okay? Merong Hawaiian or pepperoni, yung all-time favorite na pwede mong ilagay. Yung pangalawang pipiliin mo, classic flavor naman. Either beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom. Ayan, that's the rule. Ganun lang kadali. If you've been listening, we've been promoting this. So, alam mo na isasagot sa mga tanong ko, no? Ayan, okay. So, let's... you guys call me now, 0910 6909 501, okay? I'm gonna repeat that, 0910 6909 501, okay? That's the official cell phone number of DJ Tommy G. Cellphone number to, pare. Okay? So, call me now if you wanna win the pizza. By the way, yung mananalo ng pizza, ang claiming yan sa April 30 doon sa Sam's Pizza. Ayan. Okay, and ayan, we have somebody calling. Hello, caller. Hello.
Yes, hello. Good morning.
Ayan. Okay. Yeah, magandang tanghalian sa inyo. Happy celebration of your lunch.
Yeah. Wala lang po, naisipan na lang.
Sasali po kayo sa radio contest natin.
Regarding po pa?
Yung Sam's Pizza radio contest, sasali po kayo?
Sige po, sige.
Okay, ayan, sige. Game na kayo?
Yes po.
Alright, pero okay lang ba? I need to get your full name first dahil ililista ko sa winners. Sige, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Lizelle Robles po.
Lizelle Robles, ayan. Taga saan po si Ate Lizelle Robles?
Actually, taga-Kalamba ako, pero nandito na po ako sa Olongapo.
Okay. O sige. Siguro mamaya na lang later, no, para hindi natin i-announce ng yung private details, no. Yung address, I'll get your address mamaya after off the air siguro. Yan. Okay. Pero first, before I declare you the winner, kailangan muna sagutin mo muna yung napaka-simpleng question na ina-announce ko naman daily, Ayan. Okay. So, this coming April 30, merong upcoming promo yung Sam's Pizza. Ano yung title ng promo nila? Title muna.
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct. Ayan. Okay. Tapos can you give me anong date ito tsaka saan yung branches?
I think April 20, 2024 in all branches, Magsaysay, Barreto, and Castillas. April 30, 2024.
April 30, 2024 is correct. Ayan. Tapos all branches, no? Kasali. Oh, hindi tayo mahihirapan. Okay. So, kaya mo bang ibigay yung promo mechanics?
Pwede naman.
Sige nga. Go ahead.
According to the promo mechanics, get 2-in-1 flavor of girls inches family size pizza for only $2.99. Makakasave na po sila ng 179 pesos.
Wow!
Mix and match your flavors. Pipili ka lang kung all-time favorite, Hawaiian or pepperoni.
Okay.
Yung naman, choose your flavor, classic or beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom.
Wow! Ang galing-galing. You got it right, Ate Lizelle. Wow. Okay. So, ayan ha. Ganun lang po kadali.
Siyempre, lagi tayo nagsasampita.
Yeah. Agahan nyo sa April 30 yung mga nakikinig ang tinutukoy ko. Kasi si Ate Lizelle panalo na. May free na siya eh. Ayan. So, yung 12 inches pizza mo, dalawa yung flavor sa loob. Parang 2-in-1 yung isang pizza, no? Ayan. Tapos, Ate Lizelle, kung ikaw ang pipili, kasi sabi pipili daw yung isa all-time flavor, yung isa naman classic. Sa all-time, anong pipiliin mo? Yung Hawaiian o pepperoni? Pepperoni. Dun sa classic, ano naman ang idadagdag mo dun sa pepperoni?
Cheesy bacon mushroom.
Uy, wow. Ang sarap. Naglalaway tuloy ako sa pinag-uusapan natin eh. Okay, congratulations to you. You're the winner. Ang claiming po sa Sam's Pizza, sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay ang claiming on April 30 po ang claiming, ha? And don't forget to bring your ID dahil ipo-forward ko yung pangalan mo sa kanila. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Ayan. Tapos, may mga gusto kang batiin before you say goodbye? Bati-bati muna.
Okay naman, pa-shoutout lang dun sa Cool Masters Air Conditioning Services na nasa Roosevelt, dinalapuhan.
Uy!
Siyempre sa aming Cool Masters at saka yung Roosevelt Landmark.
Uy, Cool Masters Air Conditioning. Favorite ko yan sa mga air conditioning air conditioning services, parts and services. Favorite ko yan yung Cool Masters.
Actually, nakakaubusan ng unit sa dami ng nagpapa-install, sobrang premium.
Tsaka you also do maintenance and repairs din ng mga aircon, ano?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Shoutout na rin sa family, Robles family.
Yun, the Robles family. Ayan. Alam mo na, try ko magpa-repair dati dyan. Ang galing eh. Yung aircon pag
diba napalamig namin yung heater nyo?
Pagbalik nung at saka naunahan mo ako. Tsaka bukod pa doon pagka galing diyan sa inyo yung aircon, nakakatanggap na ng text. Ganun po kagaling. Okay. Thank you so much and congratulations, Ate Lizelle. Pero may ano pa, meron pa kaming traditional question. Traditional question namin to dito sa 89.5. Kasi pag caller ka namin, radio contest, hindi ka nakikita ng mga nakikinig, no? Ini-imagine nila ano itsura mo. So, sino daw yung artista look-alike ni Lizelle Robles?
Lizelle Martinez.
Pinareho na lang yung pangalan. Uy, Lizelle kagandang niyan, ano? Ang asawa ni Kuya Albert Martinez yan, ano?
Pero after na nung ma-decompose siya.
Ganun. Okay, maraming salamat po for calling and congratulations once again. Ate Lizelle Robles, congratulations to you!
Thank you so much.
Alright, okay. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza radio contest. Yan, okay? So, once again, I would like to remind you guys, this coming April 30, head on to Sam's Pizza. Pwede dun sa Barreto branch, pwede rin sa Castillejos. And of course, the first one, the original branch, the branch number 1, Magsaysay Drive. Ayan. Ang 12 inches family size pizza, 299 na lang. 12 inches yun, ha? Malaki yun. Plus, you will get to choose kung anong flavor gusto mo, dalawa. Oh, isang pizza lang yun, pero dalawa yung flavor sa loob, hahatiin. Yung kalahati, all-time favorite, either Hawaiian or pepperoni. Yung kalahati naman, classic flavor, beef mushroom or cheesy bacon mushroom. Yummy! Okay, so mark your calendars. Naku, ubusan to malamang. April 30, pila kayo na maaga, ha? Promise. Pero anyway, all three branches naman no? Castillejos, Barreto, and Magsaysay. And visit their official Facebook page to get you updated on the latest. Okay? Alright, so time is up for me. That's about it. Maraming salamat. Thank you for tuning in. I gotta say goodbye now. I'll be playing my final song. Thank you everybody for keeping me company. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-tune in simula kanina. Alright? And final shoutout of course kay Kuya John Robert Sualog Villanueva. Pati na rin si Ate Charlene. Yan, Charlene Robles of the Robles family. Alright? Maraming salamat po for keeping us in the background. Ayan. Catch me again tomorrow, of course. Monday to Friday. 89.5 here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, The Morning Brew Show, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And speaking of Kuya John Robert, ayan, total nandiyan ka nakikinig. Ito yung song nyo, ayan, Tasty Nuggets with the song called Sing Sing. All right? Sing Sing. In Sing Sing Tagalog to, no? In English, English na yun no? Sing Sing. Kanta-kanta. I'm just kidding. Ring, of course. Ring-a-ling-ding-dong. And once again, Sing Sing from Tasty Nuggets with the song for now. Tommy G saying peace. And I'm out of here. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday.